This is a new gaming monitor. I got it today from one of my friends. Due to the lockdown, none of the e-commerce are working. So fortunately my friend opened his shop today to check the stock and he was able to provide me this. This is LG monitor 22MK400, which is like 55 centimeters. It is one of the most affordable gaming PC with 75 Hz of refresh rate, and it also supports Radeon FreeSync from AMD, and it's all the features are mentioned here. It is full HD resolution 1080p, flicker safe, wall mount. It supports wall mount, and it has on-screen control as well. So that's it. Now we shall get on with it. So I'm going to open the box, and it says open here, so please follow the instructions, or we might, before start using it, we might break it. So this is the first look. Let's see what we have inside the box. So I forgot to tell you this. The price of this online is 7,600. I got it for 8,000 approximately from one of my friends. So the first thing I see here is the HDMI cable. This is the HDMI cable. This is the stand. The power cable, power adapter, sorry. Stand again. This is where it connects to monitor. Screws for the stand. Drive to install the controls and everything about it. User manual, some warranty stuffs. I'll go through it again later. This is our monitor. This is how the monitor looks. This is the back of it. So the AOs are the power, HDMI connection, the headphone jack or audio, and then the VGA connection. Here is where the stand will fit. So I'll be back. I'll just connect and I'll get back. Friends, I'm back with my monitor on stand. It's set up. Everything is very easy. It's clearly mentioned on the box, and it hardly took 5 minutes for me to set it up. So this is how it looks from back after it's set up. So we can see I've connected the power and HDMI cable, which was included in the box. The blue color which we see there, it's for the headset jack, or you can give connection to the home theater directly. And the last one is VGA. Again, we can connect a VGA connector if you don't have HDMI, but it should not be a problem because we already have the cable, HDMI cable inside itself, so in the box itself, so it should not be a problem. It is on, and we can see that the display is on and it's very vibrant and very good. So as I informed you, we have the CD. The CD helped me install the on-screen controls. So this is where we can change it without pressing the buttons which are on the monitor itself. So the first screen, we can see it has all the split options that we can use, like depending on how many software you use in your day-to-day work. Like if you're working from home, you can use multiple screens. You see it will give you options, and I normally use single screen or mostly dual screen. This is one which I use, like two softwares simultaneously, browser, YouTube, or everything. And the second screen shows all the all the display modes, the color combination, and these are all other options like presets available. And gaming mode on. Gaming mode, we have AMD sync on. I did not keep it on yet because I'm yet to install games. And black stabilization and refresh response time. So refresh, you can keep it normal, faster. If you're doing gaming, this will be faster, would be very helpful. And AMD sync, I have an AMD graphic card, so AMD sync is available on my PC. So if you keep it on, if it is NVIDIA card, you will have G-Sync. So I have this one, which is AMD, so I should have FreeSync. So when you click on it, it takes time to get back on. Yeah, so it's there already. So it's made changes itself. So I have one game. Let's see if we can turn on and show you how the gaming looks on this PC, on this monitor. So my friends, this is the game GTA 5. And as you can see, it is buttery smooth, and color reproduction seems to be accurate. And as I showed earlier, in the settings you can change the color modes, increase the saturation as per your requirements. So I'm not concentrating on the game as such. I just wanted to show you how it looks on this monitor. It seems to be awesome at this price tag. So similarly, when I say it's awesome, it's as per my review. Definitely there might be much better monitors, but it depends on the kind of money you want to spend to buy a gaming or monitor for your any task you want to do. As per me, it is the best value for money, 7.5 thousand Indian rupees, and I'm sure if you buy this product you won't be disappointed by any means. So please let me know how it feels if you are buying this product. Please comment below and let me know how good it was for you. Like, was it worth spending that much amount? Please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. I will place more reviews and more unboxing videos similar like to phones, any gadgets, any day-to-day gadgets that we can use. Thank you.